Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix voice memos not recording audio on iPhone. If your iPhone's voice memos app is not recording audio, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. So in this video I will give you these some steps from which you can fix the voice memos not recording audio on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Guys, our step number one is to check microphone and speaker. Ensure that the microphone and speaker on your iPhone are working properly. You can test them by making a phone call using Siri or recording a video with the camera to check if the microphone is working or not. If your microphone and speakers are working correctly, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve software glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, then wait for a few seconds and then restart it back. After restarting, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. You have to open the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after updating your iOS version, then you have to do is check your storage space. Insufficient storage space on your iPhone can sometimes affect the performance of apps. Ensure that you have enough free storage on your device. Then you have to do is simply allow voice memos to access microphone. Confirm that the voice memos app has permission to access the microphone. You have to go to the settings, then go to privacy and security. Then simply tap on microphone, scroll down, or you can simply have to make sure that these apps are allowed for your microphone app. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for restrictions. Make sure that there are no restrictions set on the voice memos app. You have to go to the settings again, then go to screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions. After this, then you have to do is simply tap on allowed app, then scroll down. Sorry, go back, scroll down, and you will see your option microphone. Simply tap on it. You have to make sure that the allow changes is enabled. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do is all settings on your iPhone. Setting all settings on your iPhone can help if the issue is related to configuration problem. So you have to do is simply tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.